Today I'm going to show you a couple different ways to light your smoker. Something so simple I was having trouble with. I was running out of smoke mid-inspection. Angry bees, you know, you need every help you can get. So this is a tutorial I've seen somewhere else, and there's a couple different tips I picked up along the way I just wanted to share with you guys. First, these roll oak tumblers. They're real good. With this, obviously you don't need a torch, just any lighter would do, but this is what I carry with me. So, get that going. This will help, this is a fire starter, so it'll help your tinder burn. So one of the tips, use old tatted up blue jeans. They burn slow, and they make real good smoke. Just kind of lightly, you know, like that. I don't know if you can see that. That fire's going good, and you just lightly put it there. Okay. We'll give it a few bellows. It's getting nice and hot. See that? Start to see that smoke come now. This is my new favorite way. The smoke just lasts so long. Okay. That first one is on fire. So now I like to add a second one, or you know, we can even use some of this burlap as well. Whew. So this burlap, this is expensive if you don't get it the right place. I got this large sack for $5. I got it from a local coffee shop. You know, a lot of places will have the coffee, the bean bags for like $5 for that big thing. Look at that. You want to let it chill out a little bit. It's not very warm, but you want to let the bees want cool smoke. So I'm gonna let it burn. I usually let it burn down for a second, but just occasionally give it a puff. So another way I used to do is use these smoker pellets. A lot of people like them. I didn't have the biggest success with them. I would use burlap, and then these, just torch it, but I didn't have the best success. Yes, that's good. It's getting it good. Look at that. It'll burn a long time. And then while you're keeping, just occasionally give it a puff. I mean, obviously, you will as to keep your bees calm, but just to help keep that fire going. I figure while we let that burn, just kind of show you. I'll show you guys what I keep in. I use this for my bucket to carry to the hives. I got gloves. I don't particularly love these long style gloves, but I just want to try them. I prefer like just a shorter hand glove. Bee brush. A grabber tool to help the frames. I don't use it as much now. I rely more on just your pry bar or your hive tool. Use this to get underneath, pop them. Okay, I'm gonna do another video about how I treat for mites. Powdered sugar. This little jar that I fill the powdered sugar up with. I do about a cup of powdered sugar, sprinkle it on the hives, and that helps with mites. The theory is there that powdered sugar will, it's like a dust bath, and some of the mites will fall off the bees. If you got a screen bottom board, those bees will, or the mites will fall down. And then I keep a marker and a queen cage. I never marked my queens from last year. 2024 were green. So I don't have any new queens yet. So keep powdered sugar, these tools, gloves. Obviously keep my smoker fuel. My tumblers. And I keep a few patches of that with my blue jean stuff. And this. So, and then whatever necessary other tools I'm taking, like for the day, like if I'm taking beetle traps, obviously, you know, I'll put the beetle traps in here, sugar water containers. So, yep. So this is still going strong, as you see. Careful, it's hot.